Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Like Me, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Isa.
And I'm James. It's great to be here again.
Hello, James. What have you been up to lately?
Hi, Isa. I've been busy with my studies, but I also made some time for my hobbies. And you?
That's great to hear. I've also been enjoying my free time. It makes me excited because today's topic is all about what we love to do.
Oh, really? What are we talking about today?
Today, we're going to talk about our hobbies and interests.
That's a fantastic topic. Everyone has something they enjoy doing.
Exactly. But before we dive in, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and hit that like button, and please share this video with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
So, James, are you ready to share your hobbies and interests with our listeners?
I am ready. I think it's a great way to practice English and learn about each other.
It definitely is. Talking about your hobbies is a common way to connect with people and share your passions.
It's true. And it helps us learn many new verbs and expressions related to free time activities.
Yes. So today we will make it easy and fun to talk about what you love to do.
That sounds perfect. So, Isa, how about you start? What are your hobbies and interests?
Okay, my turn first. Well, as you know, I'm an English teacher, so naturally I love reading. Reading is one of my main hobbies. What about you, James? What are your hobbies?
That's a great hobby, Isa. For me, I really enjoy playing video games. I play them almost every evening after studying.
Video games. That's interesting. What kind of video games do you like to play?
I mostly play adventure and role-playing games. I like the stories and solving puzzles. Do you ever play video games?
Not really, but I can see why you enjoy them. I prefer more quiet activities. Besides reading, I also love gardening. I have a small garden at home with many flowers and some herbs.
Gardening, that sounds very relaxing. Do you spend a lot of time in your garden?
Yes, especially on weekends. It helps me relax and connect with nature. What other hobbies do you have, James?
Another hobby I have is hiking. I love to go hiking with my friends on Sundays. We explore different trails and enjoy the fresh air.
Hiking is wonderful. Do you go hiking every Sunday?
Not every Sunday, but often. It's a great way to stay active. What about sports, Isa? Do you play any sports?
I don't play many sports, but I enjoy swimming. I try to go swimming twice a week. It's good exercise and very refreshing. Do you have any other interests besides video games and hiking?
Yes, I'm also very interested in photography. I love taking pictures of nature, especially during my hikes. I'm still learning, but it's a lot of fun.
Photography, that's a beautiful interest. Do you have a special camera?
Yes, I have a digital camera, but I also use my phone sometimes. The best camera is the one you have with you, right?
Exactly. That's a great philosophy. What about music, James? Are you interested in music?
Yes, I love listening to music. I listen to rock and pop music. I also play the guitar a little bit, but it's more of a casual interest than a serious hobby.
Playing the guitar is a wonderful skill. I enjoy listening to classical music and jazz. Sometimes I go to live concerts.
Live concerts sound amazing. Have you ever tried playing an instrument, Isa?
I tried playing the piano when I was younger, but I wasn't very good. So now I just enjoy listening. What about movies or TV shows? Are you interested in those?
Oh, yes. I love watching sci-fi movies and TV series. I'm a big fan of science fiction. What about you?
I enjoy watching documentaries and historical dramas. I like learning new things from them. This is great, James. We're learning so much about each other's free time.
I know. It's like we're having a real conversation about our hobbies and interests right now.
Yes, we are, and it's very helpful for our listeners to hear different ways to express themselves.
So, Isa, we talked about many hobbies and interests. What are some key phrases or tips for our listeners when they want to talk about their own?
A good tip is to use phrases like I enjoy, verb plus ing, I like to, verb, my hobby is, noun, or I'm interested in, noun or verb plus ing.
Excellent point, Isa. And don't forget to ask follow-up questions to keep the conversation going, like, what kind of hobby do you like? Or how often do you activity?
Yes, those are very important for a natural conversation. Also, remember vocabulary for different types of hobbies like reading, gardening, playing sports, watching movies, listening to music, hiking, photography.
That's a great list, Isa. It's good to have a variety of words to describe what you do.
So, talking about hobbies and interests is about sharing your passions and asking about others using the right phrases and vocabulary.
Perfect. It's simple, it's clear, and it's very practical for everyday English conversations.
I think we've given our listeners a very good foundation for talking about their free time activities.
I think it's been very nice to share our hobbies and interests with you, Isa.
Me too, James. I learned you love video games, hiking, and photography, and you play the guitar.
And I learned you enjoy reading, gardening, swimming, and watching documentaries. Very interesting.
It was a very enjoyable conversation.
Yes, and I hope it was helpful for all our listeners.
I hope so too. Remember, you can use these simple sentences to talk about your own hobbies and interests.
Yes, don't be afraid to practice. Share what you love to do in your free time. That's the most important part.
That is the perfect advice. Sharing your passions makes conversations exciting.
Always. Well, I think our time is almost up for today.
Wow. Time goes faster when you're having fun.
It really does. This was a great chat.
It was. So, before we go, we want to ask our amazing listeners for a little favor.
That's right. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, Speak English Like Me.
And hit that like button. And please share this video with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
And for our question of the day, we want you to practice.
Yes. Go to the comment section below and tell us about your hobbies and interests. You can write a few sentences about what you love to do in your free time. For example, my hobby is painting, or I enjoy playing soccer.
We would love to read your comments and learn a little bit about what you do for fun.
Yes, it'll be so much fun.
Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure. Stay safe and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun episode. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Bye, James.